All right, check it out, guys. I just assembled it. It's gonna be a waterfall, easy to pump. You need the larger one. It's gonna suck some air. You could close the valve here so you could continue to go. If it's too strong, you go unlock it from here. All right, if it's too strong, make sure that everything's nice and tight. We're gonna put it on. We're gonna leave the valve open, but we can always close it so we can get more of the waterfall. But we're gonna leave it open to see how strong it is. The lights, you're gonna have to manually turn them on, one after the other one. All right, and then the best part, you need the remote control, and this is at night. We're gonna do the remote control. Look at that. So we're gonna set it up on our pool today, above ground pool. We do have the cap that we need to put this on, and we're gonna see it rocking. So let's go ahead and turn this off. And then to charge it, you do need to unlock these type C in here, the silicones. Make sure they don't fall in the water. All right, so let's put it to use. Check it out, guys. Perfectly running. All right, I didn't want to close the valve because I don't want that pressure to be there. I'm gonna zip tie it here probably, and then like I said, we have a remote. You can do a remote if you want. Let's turn it on. Look at that. Beautiful at night. Let's turn off the lights. It's the waterfall, guys. I'm gonna stand on this side so you guys can see a little bit better. Night parties. Then you have your remote. You can turn off and on the action system. So we're gonna change to different colors. Look at that. Blue, white, red, green, and we'll choose different colors. Of course, we got different colors. Like it, very simple to install. Hope you guys enjoy the video.